So here we're doing a normal distribution with a mean of 26 units and a standard deviation of 5. So what we're best to do first is draw that as a normal distribution. So our mean is 26, and then we've got a standard deviation, or that funny thing, being 5. We want to find that the value has less than 34. So here on your diagram, put where 34 roundabout is. Okay, and then we're going to shade because it's less than anything less than that. Okay, there's how to do it on the calculator. So go into menu. We're going to go to stat, distribution, because we're doing a normal distribution, and then norm. Because we're doing an area under the curve, we use NCD. So this one, NCD here, F2. Now, we need a lower limit and our upper limit. So our lower limit, you can see, is down here somewhere, okay? And we don't know quite where it is. So just choose like a number like -1,000 or put a whole lot of zeros there. It goes right to the left-hand side. It needs to be negative. Our upper limit is going to be where we've up to where we're shaded to. So that's going to be 34. Now, our next line here is our sigma, and that's our 5. So we put 5 and just press enter. And then our mean, that's that mu thing with the funny U, is 26. Okay, press again, enter again, and it gives you your probability. So the probability that x is less than 34 is going to be 0.9452, and that's how you do that with the calculator. Okay, then we're going to do one between 24 and 32. So again, draw our, 26 is in the middle, and we're going between 24 and 32. Okay, we'll go back to our menu, go into stat again. Oops, we'll exit out of that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to go into distribution again, F5, norm, F1, NCD, F2, and now we're going to change our lower limit is now 24, because that's where we've our lower limit there, and our higher one is now 32. Now our standard deviation hasn't changed, so we leave that, enter it, and our mean hasn't changed of 26. And then we get so our probability, now our x is in the middle, and it's between 24 and 32, and that's going to be, just read it off there, 0.5404, and that's how you do normal distributions on the. So you go to stat, distribution, dist, norm, NCD, and then you put in your all your information. So your lower limit, your upper limit, your standard deviation, and your mean. Okay.